Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be bleaching this hair to a blonde color for a client, and I hope you guys have subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, I mixed my bleach and developer together to a pancake batter consistency, and I'm bleaching my hair starting from the tip. You can actually start from anywhere of your choice. So guys, enjoy this video and let's bleach together. Yeah, let's have fun while doing that. Grab your popcorn, enjoy guys. Yeah guys, that's my assistant. So guys, this is how it looks after bleaching it for the first time. But I'm going in once more with my bleach, and I'm using the scleral developer, and I'm going to be very fast while doing this. Yeah guys, I went in with my purple shampoo and actually tuned this hair for about 5 good times. Yeah, I know I'm not going to show you guys, but I did it for 5 good times and it came out great. So I'll be tuning my hair with this purple shampoo. Yeah guys, so this is the result after bleaching it and tuning it. So I just went on to blow dry the hair and I started styling it. So guys, I'll be leaving the pictures at the end of this video of the hair and how it turned out and how I styled it, guys. So keep watching, enjoy this video, and please do not forget to like, drop your comments. You may never know, just tell me what you think. I may not be perfect, but just say something at the comment section. Tell me what you think, and like this video, share it to your friends, and most importantly, please guys, subscribe to my channel, guys, to enjoy more videos from me. So guys, this is it. There's a before and after. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Do not forget, it's free, guys. Thank you all. Bye.